AIsthetic AI is the latest release in the AI world, and today we're going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. If you're someone searching for the best new AI tools, stick around because this could be a game changer for your digital strategy. First off, AIsthetic AI stands out by focusing on creating stunning visual content, and it's revolutionizing how we design and market online. The key here is its ability to generate eye-catching graphics, designs, and even video content with minimal input. Imagine creating professional-level visuals without needing a graphic designer. This software cuts down your design time drastically. Now, let's dive into how it works. AIsthetic uses advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze vast amounts of design data to create outputs that are not only visually appealing, but also optimized for engagement. Whether you're designing for social media, advertisements, or websites, this AI tailors the content for maximum audience attraction based on trends, color theory, and user behavior. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert in design to use it. AIsthetic AI is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for beginners and professionals alike to generate top-tier designs. But here's where it gets even more interesting. AIsthetic isn't just about static visuals. It also allows you to create dynamic video content. It has a powerful video editor that can auto-generate animations and edit your videos based on the latest trends. For content creators and marketers, this is huge. You can now save hours of work and get videos that are on brand and ready to post. The software's AI understands your preferences over time, adapting to your style as you use it. The more you interact with it, the better it gets at predicting your design needs. This means that over time, AIsthetic AI will actually become an even more efficient tool, providing you with personalized recommendations based on your past content and industry trends. Another impressive feature is its collaboration tools. If you're part of a team, you can easily share designs and videos, get feedback in real time, and make revisions seamlessly. This feature is ideal for digital marketers, small businesses, and agencies looking to streamline their workflows and work more efficiently. But AIsthetic doesn't stop there. Its integration with other platforms is smooth, making it easy to import content from places like Canva, Adobe Suite, and social media platforms, saving you even more time in the process. This integration means you don't have to abandon the tools you're already using. It just enhances them with AI power. Lastly, AIsthetic's pricing is competitive. Unlike other AI tools that can cost hundreds of dollars a month, AIsthetic offers a free trial, allowing you to get a feel for the software before committing to a paid plan. And as with most of the best AI tools, the free trial gives you access to almost all of its features, so you can make an informed decision before upgrading. And if you want to try AIsthetic AI for yourself, you can check out the link in the description below for a free trial. Trust me, after trying thousands of AI tools, AIsthetic has quickly become one of my top picks for creating efficient, high-quality content. Before we wrap up, make sure to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. These tools are ones I've tested personally, and they'll make your digital marketing and content creation so much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.